Okay guys, I just wanted to share this parang weird thing ba or hindi ko alam eh. But I wanted to share this with you guys, my experience with Salmon. Na pag-usapan na natin for a couple of videos na to already. Like, review ko ulit yung Salmon, the 0% interest rate nila for their Salmon credit. Based dito sa sinabi ni Salmon Credit. And yeah, matagal ko na pinupuntahan itong website ni Salmon and ngayon ko lang nakita itong sinasabi nilang 0% interest. Tapos the follow-up video na yung issue ko about the grace period nga na how to correct it. So ito nakalagay dito, ito daw yung 3,186.41 ang kailangan kong bayaran. 3,000 yung hiniram ko noon and then ang interest na charge sa akin ay 186.41 pesos. And then, eto, panibago, part 3. But this is more on I just wanted to share. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba dito sa pangyayaring to o dahil ginamit ko sa Salmon. Pag-usapan na lang natin yan. Samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, yeah. So kung hindi nyo po nasubaybayan ang story natin or content natin with regards to Salmon, please head over to this video first and then head over to this video. And then ito na po yung pangatlo dun sa series na yan. Anyway, yon. So, to summarize the story, nagkaroon pa ako ng increase sa aking credit line with Salmon. From 3,000 pesos, naging 10,000 pesos. And ito yun guys ha. To tell you the truth, ginagamit ko si Salmon pang test every time na gumagawa ko ng video. And every test na ginagawa ko, ang usual na bawas ko lang dyan is 100 pesos. Yan. Yung first part na review natin ng Salmon na 0%. And that's the only time na ginamit ko yung buong credit line ko with Salmon na 3,000 pesos. In-scan to pay ko yon gamit ang Maya Business QR at napunta naman sa akin. Tapos, hinintay ko talaga mag-billing statement and para malaman ko kung totoo na 0% interest nga. And then, yun nga, nalaman natin na hindi pala agad activated siya. Thus, nagkaroon tayo ng second part of the video wherein I contacted customer service and eventually naayos naman. Na-waive yung interest and then na-enable yung grace period or the 0% interest. Yun pa lang yung unang gamit ko. So, na technically, kinuha ko lahat. Pero now, in-increase nila to 10,000 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung related ba itong susunod na sasabihin ko. Nag-comment si Salmon Philippines sa aking video and babasahin natin yon ngayon din. So ito, at Salmon Philippines, sabi niya, Hi Pat Quinto, thank you for sharing your experience and creating a vlog about Salmon Credit's grace period. We truly appreciate your time and effort. Feedback like yours help us make Salmon better for everyone. We're sorry for the confusion. You're right. In the past, we didn't make it clear enough that the grace period was automatically available only for new customers. But here's the good news. We're planning to activate this feature for all customers, including our long-time ones. The grace period can range from 28 days to 62 days. To avoid interest charges, simply pay the full balance from your previous billing cycle before the due date. We've also passed along your feedback about our AI assistant to the team so that we can make it more helpful next time. Thanks again for speaking up and helping us improve Salmon. We're building this together. So, hindi ko alam kung related. Ano to? Parang courtesy credit ba? Na dahil sa pangyayari, in-increasean nila yung credit line. Hindi ko rin alam. So, hindi ko alam kung yung increase ko ba ay because of my credit score plus the fact na nagkaroon ng movement sa credit line ko dahil hiniram ko nga yung buong 3,000. Dahil ba dun yun? Nakita nila na,
uy, okay ang credit score nito, so increasean natin.
Ganun ba? Or because of the issue that I raised, etc., etc. Is it some sort of courtesy credit limit increase? Ganun ba? Well, we can really never tell. I can only hedge over it. But to say that it is because of that issue, well, maybe it's coincidence. Pero masasabi ko lang po is the credit line increase of Salmon Credit is napakatagal. Comparing it with Atome, si Atome is parang every month nagkakaroon ako ng credit line increase to the point na ito yung credit line ko with Atome na hindi ko po ginagalaw. Nakakatakot galawin. Natatakot ako na may credit line akong ganito kay Atome kasi mahirap i-manage yung maraming credit line. Si Atome hindi siya yung number one na financial product na ginagamit ko. Priority ko always is my credit card. Yan. Kasi the benefits na nakukuha ko outweighs yung lahat ng benefits ng mga online lending app na dinidiscuss natin. Though naniniwala ako sa kanila na tipong kung wala kang credit card, they're the best option. Yung credit line ni Salmon, ang tagal. Like, kailan pa yung account ko with Salmon? 2023 ba? 2024. And then, now lang ako nagkaroon ng credit line increase. Whereas kay Atome, kahit hindi mo gamitin si Atome, nagkakaroon ka ng credit line increase. Yeah, I understand, mas nauna si Atome. So, baka naman later on, makita natin na ganun na rin yung trajectory ni Salmon na baka magkaroon ng regular credit line increase or whatnot, di ba? Cross fingers, sana dumating tayo sa point na yun. And then again, another thing na ni-raise nila is AI assistant daw, which is yes, for a company that you launch a product or like service or additional feature, bakit hindi alam ng AI nyo? So, yeah, tama naman talaga na ma-call out din yun kasi your AI is somehow your replacement to customer services. So, dapat turuan muna ng maigi siguro si AI. So, yeah, for our question of the day, ano sa tingin nyo sa dalawa? Dahil ba maayos ang credit score ko? Ginamit ko si Salmon ng isang beses, kaya nila in-increasean ang credit line ko from 2023. Now, ngayon lang nila in-increasean 2025. Dahil ba sa magandang credit score yon? Or dahil sa issue na na-raise ko? Ano sa tingin nyo? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Let me know your hunches sa baba, sa comment section sa baba. And may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre sa ating cellphone giveaway for the month of August. And last na po yan. Before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Coach Key at Coach Key. Sabi po niya, great job! You're helping lots of people. You deserve more views and subscribers. Kay Coach Key at Coach Key, thank you so much po for the message you sent me. Maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate ko po yan. More subscribers and more views and more money rin po para may pambayad tayo ng mga utang. Ayan. Thank you so much po for watching. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!